Looks like you need to install your new Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus. Or maybe you're considering buying one. Either way, good idea. Let this video be your guide to add this yard lighting, video shooting, motion detecting security wonder to your home. Floodlight Cam installs the way a lot of floodlights do. You mount it on a 4-inch round weatherproof electrical box. If you need one installed, call a licensed electrician. Now, speaking of electricity, this camera connects directly to your home's electrical wiring. It's dangerous stuff, so unless you really know what you're doing, call an electrician. Before you begin, find out which circuit in your breaker box powers the electrical box you plan to use, and turn that breaker off. If you're not so sure which breaker is which, you could turn off the master breaker, or, you guessed it. If you're replacing an old floodlight, remove and disconnect it according to the manufacturer's instructions. If you see a mounting bracket like this attached to the junction box, remove that too. Now we can begin. First, unpack the bag with all the screws, the metal mounting bracket, and the orange screwdriver. Unpack your floodlight cam as well, and pull the round mounting plate straight out from the rear. That's all you need for now. First, let's install the new metal mounting bracket. Make sure the side marked front faces you, and then screw it down across 2 opposing holes on your electrical box. The screws in bag A are likely to fit, but if they don't, try option B, then C, and so on. Next, let's move on to the mounting plate. Feed the power and ground wires from your home through this hole in the plate and center it over your junction box. Make sure the arrow marked up points to the sky. Or if you're mounting your floodlight cam under eaves, the arrow should point towards the nearest wall. Grab a screw from bag B or C, feed it through the center hole here, and tighten it to bring the plate and bracket together as one, a touching reunion. All right, now it's time to grab your floodlight cam, the orange wire nuts, and these little cap nuts. On the back of the cam, you'll notice a fabric strap. This is here to make wiring your cam easier. Slip the eyelet on the end of the strap over the hook on the mounting plate and gently let the cam hang down. Next, you'll connect your home's electrical wires with the wires from your floodlight cam. To do this, it's just about matching the colors. Connect black to black, white to white, and your bare metal or green ground wire to green. Line up the ends of the wires, then pop a wire nut on top and turn it clockwise to bind them solidly together. Everything looking matchy and feeling snug? That's great, you did good. Now, let's get that floodlight cam mounted. Feed the wires and wire nuts into your electrical box, then slide your floodlight cam onto these 2 posts. It fits tightly for a good seal, so press it firmly into place until you see the ends of the posts come through the holes on the front of the cam. Thread these cap nuts onto the posts. Pull the metal bit out of the included screwdriver and use the handle as a wrench to tighten the nuts just until snug. If you installed your floodlight cam on a wall, turn the camera module 180 degrees clockwise so that its motion sensor dome faces the ground. If you installed under eaves, you can leave the camera as it came, which will look like this. Adjust the camera and light modules to your liking. Once the camera angle feels right, tighten the collar screw here to lock it in. Now you can turn power back on at the breaker. Give Floodlight Cam a minute or 2 to start up. When the lights come on and it makes a sound, you can start the setup process in the Ring app. The app will guide you the rest of the way. Congratulations, you're done! If you need any more info, head to ring.com/help.